Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for January 16th, 2020. Well, we have a lot to talk about, but before we start, please like, share, and subscribe, and let your friends and family know where you get your favorite weather information from. Of course, that's right here. Thank you. And also the growing number of people following. I really appreciate it. It's really awesome. Thank you very much. So let's talk about some windy conditions. Our cold front is about to blow through the region and winds are starting to veer to the northwest. Generally right now they're ranging anywhere from about 10 to 20 miles per hour, but look for those winds to increase this afternoon to 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts potentially up to 50 miles per hour. That's going to lead to the potential for some power outages and also some minor wind damage, so definitely be aware of that. With our cold front moving through, a few scattered showers are lingering here and there. Watch out for this evening potentially for a passing snow flare or two, maybe even a snow squall. It's going to be isolated, but just keep that in the back of your mind. But also you want to have a heavy coat with you because it may feel warm now, but by the time we get to this evening, it will feel anything but. So when we see our surface map, should I say, here's our low pressure system. It's going to head up towards the Gulf of Maine and bomb out. The cold front will follow, and then this high pressure system will be in control for tonight on through tomorrow. Then things start to change. See, we're watching this storm out here, way out here in the west coast. Okay, so you have all this scattered cloud covered here, and you're going to see breaks of sun. And for the most part, you got your subtropical jet stream doing its thing, sending up moisture towards Texas. This little pesky storm here is going to be picking up this moisture and interacting with cold air, which is right here. This is actually cold air at the surface. Pretty cool, right? So all this is going to interact to form a nice little hefty storm over the northern plains by the time we get to tomorrow. That low pressure system will rapidly move through the Great Lakes and head towards New England on Saturday. The warm air ahead of it is going to run into the Arctic air that's going to be in place by tomorrow morning. And as a result, what you're going to end up with is snow to start off with, but gradually changing over to sleet and then rain. The whole forecast in terms of snowfall accumulation pretty much comes down to how fast does that changeover occur. Not if it will occur, but just how fast. So based on that, again, this is for Saturday evening. Basically, look for snow to start showing up around 2 o'clock on Saturday, becoming steady and heavy by the time we get to 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. But during that time period, the rain snow line is going to be lifting up towards the interior. So in this A section here, basically we start off with snow, quickly mix over to sleet, and then rain. So you're only looking at maybe a trace to an inch, and mostly on cold surfaces, your car tops, grass, stuff like that. Roadways should be fine. However, in the B section, which is basically north and west of Philadelphia and north and west of New York City up towards southern Connecticut, you're going to have snow lingering a little bit longer in the evening. Again, 1 to 3 inches. Most of this is going to be on cold surfaces, but watch out for your roadways. Some of them will be snow covered, especially your secondary roads. So just be on point with that, okay? Just remember that if you're heading out on Saturday evening. In section C, the warm air is pushing northward, but the cold air is going to be putting up a fight. So in this area, you're going to have a little bit longer snow and sleet. The amount of sleet will determine how much snow you get. So if you have a little bit of sleet mixed in with this storm, then you're more likely to push up to 6 inches. If you see a lot more sleet in your location, more likely around 3 inches of snow. Then you change over to rain 2 by most likely around 10, 11 o'clock. Up in section D, most of this is going to be snow and sleet. Again, same idea here with 4 to 8 inches of snow. The more sleet you see, the closer you will be towards that 4-inch amount. The more snow, 8 inches, okay? But this area is going to be pretty interesting because the bulk of the precipitation with the warm air pushing in is going to be in the form of snow and sleet. And then it will change over to rain, but by then it will be very light. So this area up towards Scranton, the Poconos, up towards the Catskills, northwestern Connecticut, the central Hudson River Valley. Those locations have a pretty good shot of seeing a nice little moderate snowfall out of this. And then up in sections E, way up here, basically up towards the Adirondacks, your green and white mountains, you're looking at anywhere from about 6 to 12 inches of snow mixing with sleet at times. This will all blow out of here by the time we get to Sunday morning with clearing skies expected. and also very windy conditions as well. So let's dive into some of the details with this forecast. For today, scattered showers in the morning, clearing skies in the afternoon. Watch out for a few pesky snow showers. Temperatures holding in the upper 40s to lower 50s, and then falling through the 40s and into the 30s this evening. By the time we get to tomorrow morning, temperatures will be plummeting into the upper teens to mid-20s. So you can see the strength of the cold air transport that's going to be on the way. For the afternoon, high pressure will be in complete control. Winds start to relax. Skies are clear. Temperatures don't move all that much. We're looking at highs in the mid-20s to lower 30s. On Saturday is our storm. We start off cold on Saturday morning, looking at lows in the mid-teens to lower 20s. We'll be warming up through the day with high temperatures by the late evening hours as that precipitation changes over from snow to sleet to rain. Look at high temperatures to range anywhere from the upper 30s to mid-40s. On Sunday, our storm pulls away. Look for a few lingering rain and snow showers in the morning, and temperatures falling through the 40s and 30s and into the 20s as cold air invades. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, high pressure will be in complete control with clear skies to sky cloud cover. I can't rule out a passing snow shower with some of these troughs moving through. Temperatures are going to be chilly. Look for lows in the upper teens to lower 20s and highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s throughout the period. By the time we get to Thursday, high pressure starts to push off the coast. Winds start to veer off towards the southwest. And we start to warm up. Look for lows in the lower to mid-20s, highs in the mid to upper 40s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.